how to get Amazon affiliate link for a specific product. So if you don't have an account, you just simply need to sign up first. And if you already have an account, you could skip this part of the video. So I'm just going to sign up first, click on sign up right here. So just simply go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com right here on the top, then click on sign up. And once you're here, just simply click on create your Amazon account. And here you'll just need to fill up all of these options. After filling all of those up, you will need to verify your email address. So just simply go to your email address and copy the OTP that will be sent there. After that, you will be brought here on creating your Amazon Associates account. You just simply need to fill out all of these options. Now, after that, you will be brought right here where you will need to enter your website or your mobile app. So list all the top level websites and or mobile apps on which you plan to display banners with just special links or other ads from Amazon Associates. So you need to add at least one website or mobile app, so you can add up to whatever number of website or mobile apps you want. So just simply add it. And after that, you will need to fill out your profile right here. Now after that, as you can see, I now have applied for the Amazon Associates program, and here you can enter your payment and tax information. So you could do that now or later. Now, once you have your account, you just simply need to go to Amazon right here again, then open it up and make sure that the account that you're currently using is the one with your associate or with your Amazon Associate account. Then click on the settings icon here at the top right and make sure that the site stripe is turned on right there. You just simply need to make it checked out right there to turn it on. Now, once it's done, just simply search for any product that you want to share. So let's say I want to find some gaming mouse. So let's say I'm going to find something right here. So this Viper V3 Razer mouse. So just simply click on that mouse, then click on get link here on the top. So if you click on get link, so there will be a generated link, which is our affiliate link, and you just simply need to copy it and paste it wherever you want. And if someone clicks onto this link and buys the product of the link that you've shared, you will get a commission on every buyer that buys the product through your link. And that is basically it.